Okay, so this came in today. This is my DVI splitter to VGA. Okay. Here's the invoice. Okay. Put this down for a second. I'll open this up. Alright, so right off the hop, you look at this thing. Let's put it on something black so we can see this. Right off the hop, you can tell it's off slanted. Put it like this. You can see it's off slanted. Really off. Okay, we're going to test this out. I bought this so that I can take this screen, which is running off my main board, and these are running off my display port and my HDMI, but I still have a DVI on my card to use. So right now I'm only using this because this is a VGA. So this should fix this problem, theoretically. Should fix that problem, so I'm running it off this board. Okay, so I got myself a DVI cable, dual end, just to show something in the end. If you look, you can see this thing is crooked. Alright, so this is my custom build. I've built this myself. Okay, if you look, this is my HDMI, and my DVI, and my display port. Okay. Right now I'm currently running it off this little inverter, which is an HDMI to VGA. Now, I need this to this. Now, theoretically, this, being like this, should take this screen and put it to the other end, just as the HDMI did. Alright, so we've hot swapped this one out. Okay, so now my screens have switched off to here. Okay, second screen, all those are still playing. Now my first thought was that maybe my card was faulty. Again, this is why I had this out. Okay, so it's not reading at all, but it was reading off this one, which is my HDMI VGA. So now I'm going to hot swap this out. See, as you can see that the port's not dead. Okay. Okay, so here you go. You can see taking this back out. Okay, I don't need this no more. As far as I'm concerned, it don't work. Okay, so here's the DVI. You can see. I'll place this here, and I seat that there. Alright, so right now this is my game port. Hold on, I need something to get in there. Alright, my game port's got a lock on it. Alright, there you go. A little ingenuity, I got it out. Okay, so now I should only have one screen running. One screen, okay? That one's not reading. This one's not reading. Why? Because it game port's out, okay? Game port's still in there, you can see that. Okay, now my DVI. Okay, DVI is in. So the DVI port should be displaying. Okay, DVI port is displaying off a separate one. 1 second, Bella. So, my deduction is this is a factory defect. And you look, it's crooked. You can just see how crooked that is. There's somewhere in here it's faulty. You can see how crooked it is. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't work. I would like to get another one because it would fix my problem. So can you please resend this out?